Research is really, really important in this field, looking at research into dementia, and to be able to support a young person who's doing groundbreaking research is really important for me. I'm Janice Rushworth. My husband Alistair died 4.5 years ago from early onset dementia. With the assistance from Queensland Brain Institute, we've been able to establish the Alistair Rushworth Research Scholarship Fund. It's that interface, isn't it, between the scientist and the community, and the scientist and the person who maybe has lost somebody as a result of what they're researching into. So I like to think for Igor there's a motivation for him as well, as much as it is for me to see that somebody's actually researching something that I experienced in my life.
Meeting Janice was awesome. I loved meeting the lovely person that she is, and I think it creates a bigger sense of responsibility and dedication because of this personal connection.
So this is not research that is focused on a very particular endpoint, but very much on exploration, so pioneering in a sense.
I study how neurons and the surrounding tissue cooperate to prevent damage to the nervous system. Neurons are the basic cells of the nervous system, and they communicate with each other through a very long and thin cable called the axon. If these axons are damaged, the communication between neurons is impaired, and we see the outcomes of several neurological conditions, say dementia, Alzheimer's, and all the nervous system pathologies.
When Alistair was not well, there was just nothing. The minute you're told you have dementia, that's it. There's no real treatment. There's nothing. You just have to take the passageway, from then onwards until the end. And so I was always determined that research was their way, that I wanted to try to help if I could.
It humanizes our job as researchers, because knowing that there is someone cheering for your success and someone supporting your work, it's very gratifying, and I feel that this is something that all the researchers need. It allows me to think outside of the box and try new ideas that I wouldn't be able to try.
You have somebody that you can talk to, somebody who's doing real life work, and you can see where that work fits in the greater picture of research. It's important to care for people who have dementia. We have to look to the future, and young people like Igor are the people who are going to make the difference.